Hello there and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing an unboxing video of two of the grab bags that were available from Fawn for Giving Tuesday. So every year for Giving Tuesday, Fawn will donate 100% of the profits from these grab bags to support a charitable cause, and it's only available for a limited time only. There are usually three options available, either a $25, a $50, or a $100 grab bag. This year, I was lucky enough to get to order the $50 and a $100 grab bag. And to be honest, I look forward to this every single year. And every single year, I'm always so curious to see what others receive in their bags. So that's why I want to share my unboxing video today. So let's get started. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier that I did purchase two of the grab bags. And the first one here is the $50 grab bag. And I was thinking about getting the $25 grab bag as well, but then I had to control myself. So here it's what's included in the $50 grab bag. So first off, I received the embossing powder in gold. And I already have this in my stash and I do like it. So I'm glad that I received another one here. This one is in the color Cranberry, which I don't have. And this is super cute. It's in an enamel pen. And I don't really have a thing for enamel pens, but they're super cute to have, I guess. I can give it to my daughter. And this stamp set here, this one is called Joy to All, and it does come with coordinating dies. That's one thing that I love about the Fawn grab bags, that they include the coordinating dies with all of your stamp sets. And along with the stamp set, I did receive the paper pad. This one is a 6x6 paper pad, and I also have this one in my stash as well. And here are two of the mini notebooks, and I love these little notebooks because I could just throw it in my purse and have it ready just in case I need to take notes anywhere. So I love having that. And the design on these notebooks are so adorable. I mean, Fawn design is just in general adorable. Okay, so after the notebooks, the mini notebooks, I did also receive this pop-up smile die. And I have a few of these in my stash already, but I don't have this one in particular. And I like it because it creates a little extra something on your cards. And also a slimline picket fence die. Okay, so that was everything that was included in the $50 grab bag. And if you receive something different in your $50 grab bag, I would love to see a comment down below just sharing what you received. Okay. So I'm just going to put this away and I'll go ahead and grab my $100 grab bag. So the $100 grab bag included more, of course. I guess with the $100 grab bag, you get up to $200 worth of things. And a $50 grab bag, you receive about $100 worth of things. So here is the $100 grab bag. And off the bat, there's a few things in here that I do not have. So that I'm really happy about. So the first thing that I pulled out here is the embossing powder. And this one is in the color Rose Gold. And I've always wanted to try this color, so I'm actually glad that I received it in the bag. And here it is close up, Rose Gold. And I also received another pin, and this one is a cute little cactus. And also a 6x6 paper pad. This one is the All the Dots paper pad. And I don't have this one, so I'm happy about that. And here is an ink pad. This one's called Grape Jelly. And some more mini notepads, which I'm thrilled about. And here's a smaller stamp set, which I don't have. This one is the year 12. And I also received Tiny Sports Friends along with the coordinating dies. And also a second stamp set. This one is Beachy Christmas, also with the coordinating dies. And here is a die set that I wanted to purchase the last release, which I didn't. So I'm glad to see this in here. This one is a simple stitch tree border dies. And I also received the Reveal Wheel Tulip add-on die. This would be really cute for the springtime, and I don't have this either. I also received the Slimline Simple Road border. I have this in my stash, so I might be getting, I have to find someone to give this to. And I also received the Stitch Speech Bubble backdrop and some double-sided adhesive sheets, as well as a canvas bag and a 12 by 12 paper pack. And the canvas bag I really love. I love storing some of my stamps and coloring mediums in here when I'm on the go. And oops, here I just needed to cut the extra thread off. It was bothering me, so I went ahead and just snipped it off of my scissors. But I love having this around because when I go to the park or go anywhere, I have a little bit of stuff in here for me to color or kind of do when there's a little bit of downtime. So I love their canvas bag. It's nice and sturdy as well. So here is everything that I received in the $100 grab bag. And if you receive anything different or your bag is totally different than the one I received, I would love to see a comment down below. I'm just so curious about what everybody else have in their bag. I don't know what it is. It's just with mystery bags. Me and mystery bags is just a bad combination because I will purchase it even when I know I shouldn't. So that's pretty much it. And stay tuned because I will create a few cards with all of the items here in my grab bags. And if you haven't yet, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And please come check me out on my Instagram account at Cloudy Coral Designs. Okay, so until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.